Today, I'm going to show you how I would approach a project in pre-construction by mapping it with the drone and then walking it with a 360 camera. Let's get into it. The Mavic 3 Enterprise handles the entire mission in under 5 minutes. Ideally, I'd be shooting some survey points on the manholes or adding GCPs, but for today's demo, I'm just going to show you the field process. This mission took 165 photos, enough to create a detailed map. We could throw in more media, 360 drone panoramas, extra photos and video, but today's focus is strictly on the 3D and 2D outputs. Now, I'll just pop out the SD card and upload everything back at the office via the web app. For the 360 capture, you don't actually need the drone map. You can capture directly on the base map within the app. Today, I'm doing the walk on the base map, but once the drone map is uploaded, it'll automatically update. So now I'm doing the 360 walk. It's like leaving a breadcrumb trail of photos, which you'll be able to navigate through once it's processed. You just need to set your start and end points. The software takes care of the rest. You're walking the site anyway, so why not get a full 360 record of it while you're at it? Uploading's a breeze. Just sync the photos from your phone over Wi-Fi or even sell data if you're on the go. Now let's take a look at the end results. So what's photogrammetry? It's just a fancy way of saying we stitched together a ton of overlapping drone photos into a 3D model. This isn't sci-fi, it's real data, mapped out in real time, giving you a clear visual of your site. Now, this is where things get even more powerful. Elevation tools. Contour lines that show you exactly how your site terrain looks. It gives you a real sense of what you're working with. You can export all this data if needed, but we'll dive into that workflow another time. Next up, ground level views. No more being limited to just drone shots. You can walk the site, jump between locations, and get a fresh perspective. Maybe it's spotting cracks in the sidewalk your drone missed, or something hidden under tree cover. These ground views can be game changers. Let's talk cut fill. Using the volume tool, you can calculate how much material needs to be moved. We're working with the DTM here, a digital terrain model, that gives you a clear understanding of the earth you're dealing with before your whole team rolls in. And finally, measuring tools. Super simple, but absolutely essential. You've got distance, area, height, whatever you need, you can measure it. Nothing's gonna replace your tape measure, but when you can grab an estimate in seconds, that's a hell of a lot better than driving 2 hours back to the site. You can even start a measurement in 2D and adjust in 3D when necessary. And that's a wrap. Catch you on the next one.